Hey guys, what's happening? How to set up smart alerts on TradingView for instant trade signals. So go ahead and open up the TradingView app, right? So if you want to get notified the moment your trade conditions are met, basically go to and open the charts at the bottom middle or the bottom left. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna see next to the pencil, there is like an analysis hub. Go ahead and press it, and you're gonna see alerts. Go ahead and click alerts, and then go ahead to create an alert, right? And then go ahead and add the details, the price, the condition, if Netflix chart or if the chart met your price range, so you can buy or sell the coin, and you can trigger only once or every time, and select the expiration date and the alert name, right? And the message also, if you want to add a message. You can also see right here notifications, right? You could turn on push notifications in order to get it immediately, and also show those notifications on desktop if you are using PC, or send an email if you want them to send an email and you're not good with notifications. So basically you're gonna be able to activate it immediately from that trading right here by clicking create at the bottom. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Now you will never miss a trading opportunity again. See you in the next one.